Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Well, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from the United States. This is a neat little assortment that came from my friend Daniel over at exoticnudes.com. You should check out his stuff. If you want to get like a multinational subscription box, his stuff is really top-notch, and I believe some of these things you would see in one of those boxes. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, rad. The first one we got here is from a company called Chewy, and these guys are based in Hong Kong, and I don't get their stuff very often, so this is really a score, I think. This is original premium flavor, so I don't know exactly what that's going to be. I think the packaging is green, so it might be like a scallion flavor. I don't know, but we'll figure that one out. And here's one from a brand that I am not at all familiar with. This is a salted egg variety from Tongwanfu, and it's looking like it's from China. I have no clue. I really like salted eggs, so we'll give it a try. Well, folks, I have a feeling this is going to be my absolute favorite in the box, and this might be a surprise, but yeah, this is a spicy noodle, but it comes from a company. Actually, it comes from a place. The brand is Nanjikun. Nanjikun Village is one of the last bastions of communism in China. You might think, well, China's a communist country. Yeah, but there's a lot of, capitalist things going on there. But this place, if you live in Nanjikun Village, you get a card. You go work, you come home, you're like, I'm kind of hungry, I should go to the store. You show them your card that proves you're a resident of the village. You can pick out whatever you want. I mean, it's really cool. There's really not, I don't know if it's that way now, but there, for the most part, was no currency there. It was like a true communist economy in this town. So it's kind of fascinating that I believe this is the second variety I've ever gotten from there. But this is a score. Thank you very much. I am really stoked to get anything from that place. Now here's another variety from Chewy, and this is a vermicelli. I believe it said it was a black garlic oil variety. Here, let me look at this closer. Black garlic and mushroom flavor, and it's a vermicelli. So very cool. I don't think I've ever reviewed a cup from this company. So cool. And here's another one. This is a shrimp and seaweed flavor vermicelli. Cool. And finally, we have a family pack of Bulldog Tom Yum. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've been looking for this for so long. People have said, oh yeah, I'll send you some samples. I'll send you this and that. It's like, this one has been so elusive, and a family pack. Wow, I can do all sorts of craziness with this stuff. So yeah, I am stoked. Thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate it. All right, well, a huge thank you to Daniel over at exoticnudes.com. I highly recommend go check out the boxes that they have. They're really cool. They've got lots of neat stuff, a little pamphlet that has information about the varieties, and cool varieties from many different countries, such as these. And cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.